this we're saying
Welcome back to Nature's Treasure.
Today is Valentine's Day.
Happy Valentine's Day.
There we go. Happy Valentine's Day, everybody.
Happy Valentine's Day.
Yeah, I'm not looking
everybody.
right at the camera, am I? It's kind of weird today. I don't know what's going on with this. But anyway, today is Valentine's Day. And
Happy Valentine's Day.
we are making cupcakes. And these ones are done. These are the ones we're going to put in the oven. So, with that, here's the recipe. It's 1 3/4 cups of flour, 2 cups of sugar, 3/4 cups of cocoa powder, 1/2 teaspoon of baking powder, 1/2 teaspoon baking soda, 1/2 teaspoon of salt, 2 eggs,
And
1 cup of milk,
away.
1/2 cup of oil, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 cup of boiling water. And together, first you mix all your dry ingredients, and then you put your wet ingredients in it. Then you cup of hot water, and you bake it for 27 to 30 minutes. You just keep testing until it's all done. And that is actually our cake mix that we use, and we're using it as cupcakes. And we'll be doing some other extra things today. We're going to be making some chocolates
Oh,
for Mommy and Daddy. They're going to be surprised because I told them last night we weren't making anything. So, she's eating the cake, the mix. Like all of us did when we were little. So, be looking forward to some more videos today. A special day of love. Of love and happiness spreading to everybody and everybody around the world. So, thank you for stopping by Ash's Treasure. Please subscribe, hit the like button, and give us a thumbs up. And ring the bell for notification. I think the like button and the thumbs up is the same thing, and everybody calls it something different, but that's okay. So see you in a little while. She's too busy eating. Watch. I'm gonna catch her. She's eating chocolate. And a chocolate face.
And please press the subscribe button down below, and we will see you again.
Later.
Later.